The wonderful, noble souls of Pisces sign will benefit a lot during this coming time of 12 months. Men and women of Pisces sign will expand their social network and become more popular in their social circles. There will be absolutely no time and no interest in relationships, as many of you will be too busy in your business and engaged in your social circles. For many past years, you have been slogging to achieve the goals that you had set for yourself. This year, you will reach closer to attaining your goals. Men and women who are trying to find a suitable marriage partner will finally succeed and will get happily married. Students who are planning to attempt CA final year exams or CAT exams should definitely take a chance. There is a high possibility of you clearing the exams with flying colors. Pisces executives who had been waiting for promotion are likely to get promotion in the next year, 2022 March. You will become more communicative and you will try to connect with as many like-minded people as you can. On communication front, you will be quite effective, and many of you who are in communication related business such as sales, call centers, social workers, public speakers, or even politicians will excel and make a difference. The best quality of all Pisces men and women is that they have tremendous faith in God. They believe that all our help comes from the Lord. This unwavering faith will definitely help all men and women of Pisces sign to move on and progress in life. Especially in this year 2021, it is going to be very promising year for all Pisces men and women. Just take care of your father, respect elder men and women, listen to their suggestions, because there is a possibility that you may ignore the elders and just follow your head. But always remember that the old men and women have more experience of life, and so they are always of great help. Listen to your elders' advice not because they are always right, but because they have more experiences of being wrong. Always remember, the youth walks faster, but the elderly knows the road. Overall, the upcoming year of 2021 is going to be a milestone for many Pisces men and women across the world. Always remember, astrology is not one-dimensional, and so just the transits are not enough. There are many more factors such as Mahadasha, natal chart placements, transits over natal planets, and so the transit predictions is just one side of the coin. And so just chill and get ready for a new phase of your life. As Rahu Ketu changed the signs, as well as Jupiter is also changing this December 2021. To all my followers and listeners, always remember, life is a constant change, and one who is open to change always progresses, always grows, than the one who is not open to change. Death can strike anytime, but as long as I am alive, and as long as you are alive, together we can continue with this wonderful journey called life. The first thing to be understood is that life has not to be started now. It has always been going on, You are in the journey. Life is journey. Love is the goal. Hate can take you nowhere, but love can take you everywhere, to the farthest shores of this planet. But first you have to love yourself. First the ripple of love has to form around you, and then that one ripple of love will start creating more and more ripples of love. That is how we all can make this world a better place to live. Love yourself, value yourself, trust yourself. Swami Vivekananda says, only a man who trusts himself can trust God. Remember, you are not useless. The universe has a purpose to your existence. Find that purpose by turning inwards. Meditate every day, and when you meditate, focus on chanting the Ganesha mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Recite this every morning and every evening, 20 minutes, using a Spatik Japamala. And then life will become more and more beautiful. Because when you chant, slowly you are able to control the monkey mind. The more the mind comes in your control, the more you evolve as a matured person, as a wise person. So focus on meditating every day, chanting the holy mantra, Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.